So I'm out of the city and about 20 miles or 30 kilometers to the halfway point between Tbilisi and Kazbegi. I haven't really gained much elevation so far, so I'm gonna try to do 2/3 of the kilometers today and then the last third tomorrow, since that'll be the majority of my elevation gain. Нет, американец.
Американец?
Да, да.
Россия?
Нет, Kazbegi завтра. Ага. No, нет. Here, yeah. Alright, я иду.
До свидания.
До свидания. Alright, I'm over halfway. I think this looks like a good place to camp. I don't like to be too close to the road because you never know who's like drunk driving around, wanted to like mess with your tent and stuff, but I think this looks good. Yeah, alright. I'll probably leave though before I get kicked out, since I don't think I'm supposed to camp here. I don't know what happened to my other shoe. Maybe a dog ran off with it. I only have the one here. It's kind of weird. Luckily, I found my shoe. It's only a few meters away. Yeah, that must have been an animal or something that grabbed it and pulled it out here. That could have been a lot worse. I guess that's a learning experience to keep my shoes a lot closer to me. That could kind of suck to wake up and not have any of your stuff. Never would have thought of that before. I usually only worry about like scorpions and spiders in my shoes, not my shoes actually disappearing. So the nice viewpoint I'm trying to get to is 51 kilometers from here, but it is an elevation change of 930 meters. And all I'm eating is just garbage because it's hard to find decent food in the middle of nowhere here. I can spend money at the restaurant here and get a nice meal, but I'm trying to not spend that much money. It's like a couple latte on a beer is okay, but I don't want to sit and get a full meal. So I'll see how I feel when I get to the top there. Went from 7 to 8, really not that bad. We'll see how much steeper it gets.
Как gidiyoruz?
Where you from?
Yeah, by California.
What?
By California.
California?
Yeah.
From United States of America.
Yeah.
Please down, please.
Sure,
in the
thank
rest. What is your name?
Mikey.
My name Dato.
Dato?
Sit down. Will you drink coffee?
Yeah, sure.
Tati! Ori kawa gwinda. You are married?
No.
Have you
No way.
boyfriend?
No way.
Girlfriend?
No way.
No. How many years old are you?
28? Yeah, well, what do you call these?
Chuchkela.
Chuchkela, and it's like different types of nuts inside.
Nuts, real nuts.
What's the outside made out of?
Outside is juice.
A juice, okay.
Juice.
Like a candle.
Yes. 15th century, 14th centuries, when was war, we make this because she keeps many times.
Okay, it lasts a long time.
when-
And what are these? This is a good look for me.
Uh-huh.
Hello. How are you?
Sit down, dear my wife. Come here. Sit down around me.
Georgian food?
Oh yeah.
What's this?
Tell the story which I'm from United States of America.
My husband speaks 6 languages.
Yeah, English is super good. 6 languages.
Ще нам, братія
Yeah.
українці, усміхнеться доля, згинуть наші вороженьки, козацького роду.
That's the Ukrainian national anthem.
Yes,
Cool,
this is
cool.
Ukrainian national anthem.
I don't even know my own country's national anthem.
I do.
Didiman Loba. So I still got 40 something kilometers left to go and an elevation climb of 660 meters. So yeah, still got a ways to go. Having to avoid all these buses and semi-trucks along the way, but they usually come in groups, so I can wait until a group passes and then cycle without semi-trucks like 15 minutes and then wait for another group to pass. So exhausted. Well, I was going to continue the trip, but I have to go downhill and then I had to go back up the next day, so I just decided to go paragliding instead. Okay. Cool. Yeah, definitely. Oh, okay, cool. Bubba. Hola, me voy a caer. Arizona. I'm from Georgia. It's really freaking windy. So instead of camping out in the middle of nowhere, I'm gonna camp in this old Soviet hotel.